dealing with the body of cars, or you dealing with the boss. Is there? And if you hear this and then go on, bend your back.
Put a finger down if you enjoy having conversation with the motorcyclist as you are on your ride to wherever and whenever. Anyway, so on this particular day, I took a Bolt and I was rushing to town. So there's usually like traffic, especially if you're not using the expressway. So I wasn't using the expressway and I opted to use a. And this idea just came when I was in the middle. I was in somewhere around Mlolongo. Mind you, I had taken this Bolt all the way from Athi River. So when I reached Mlolongo is when I thought like, wow, by the way, in a POV Kali, like me on a motorcycle and just taking a video. And yeah, you know what's up? I was not about to let this idea slide. You feel me? Anyway, so talking about the conversations with the motorcyclist, me and this Boda guy were having a full-blown conversation, and I think we were talking of different stories. Honestly, yeah, alikuwa anaongelea kitu moja na mimi nilikuwa naongelea kitu ingine, but it's fine, it's alright. At least the conversation was flowing. Hata kama zilikuwa and a lot of wind in between, you know, and a lot of by the way, unajua, you know, that's how you respond. But anyway, how are you guys? I have missed you guys. It's been so long since I've been here back on YouTube, and I am back. I'll try and be as consistent as I can, because life be happening, you know, life be happening outside here. So please stay tuned for a lot more other interesting stuff that I have on the way. Yeah, and that's it. I enjoyed this short vlog, and subscribe, and thank you guys for 1,090 subscribers. Mwah.